Hey guys, how's it going? How to upload long photos on Instagram with music. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and use your browser and use the website Square Image. So I'm gonna go ahead to the Square Image. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and choose an image and then upload from my photo library. Let's say for example, I want to upload this photo. Okay, so I'm gonna upload this photo. As you can see, this is my photo, right? I could choose to blur some of the parts inside this photo, okay? And basically, if you want to crop or resize, you can resize the photo. In my case, I'm gonna use this one. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and download, and then I download it on my file. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and save it to my photos. So click the at the bottom left, the sharing icon, and then save image. Then go back to your screen, go ahead to your Instagram, okay? Then basically click the plus button. If you want to post it as a story or as a reel, right? You can add music either way. So let's say reel. I'm gonna choose this one, hit next, right? And you can add music by clicking audio, right? And then hit next, and then hit next. And then you're gonna be able to add it as a reel or as a story. If you want to start over, click the plus button, story, and then click right here the the photo album at the bottom left, and then add the photo, and then story, and then you're gonna be able to add your music and then publish it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.